learners, welcome back to Easy English Classroom, where English is easy, punctuation is powerful, and the quizzes are fun. Today we are giving your brain a punctuation workout with 30 quiz questions, beginners to advanced. You'll explore commas, colons, apostrophes, and many more. Here is how it works. I read these sentences. You choose the right punctuation mark from A, B, C, or D. I'll reveal the answer with a quick explanation. Keep watching and tell us how many you've got right at the end. Ready? So let's get started. Number 1. What punctuation is missing? Wow, that's amazing. So after wow, we can see a gap. So the options are A, full stop, B, comma, C, colon, and D, an exclamation mark. The answer is D, exclamation mark. An exclamation mark shows a strong emotion or excitement, and this is the reason we have the exclamation mark as our correct answer. Now let's come down to question number 2. Number 2, choose the correct sentence from the following. You just have 5 seconds. Let's have a look. Now for A, we have it's raining outside. B, it's raining outside with an apostrophe after it. C, it's apostrophe raining outside. And D, it's raining, comma, outside. And the correct answer is B, it's raining outside. It is the contracted form of it is. Question number 3. What belongs here? She is tired. The punctuation mark is missing at the end. For the options, we have A, exclamation mark, B, full stop, C, question mark, and for D, we have a comma. The sentence doesn't really end with a comma, so the answer is B. A full stop ends a statement, so the answer is going to be a full stop. Question number 4. What ends the sentence here? Do you like ice cream? For option A, we have a full stop. Option B, we have an exclamation mark. For option C, we have a question mark. And for option D, we have a comma. So as the sentence was a question, the correct answer is going to be C, a question mark. Question number 5. Which punctuation shows position? A, apostrophe, B, comma, C, period, and D, colon. And the answer is A, apostrophe. Apostrophes shows ownership. For example, Maria's pen. Whose pen? Maria's pen. So it shows belonging. Question number 6. Which is correct? For A, we have let's go outside without an apostrophe. For B, we have let's go outside with apostrophe. For option C, we have let's, comma, go outside. And for D, we have let's, apostrophe, go outside. And the answer is B. Let's go outside with the apostrophe. So let's is the short form of let us. Let's have a look at question number 7. Fill in the blank. I like apples, gap, oranges, and bananas. So for the options, we have A, a semicolon, B, a comma, C, a colon, and for D, we have a full stop. And the correct answer is B. We use commas to separate items in the list. And this is the reason it's going to be the comma. Question number 8. Which is punctuated correctly in the following sentences? A, hello, in the quotation mark, she said. B, hello, pausing, so we're giving a comma, she said. C, hello, full stop, she said. And D, hello, a semicolon, she said. And the correct answer is B, hello, in the quotation mark, and then we have a comma, she said. So comma goes inside the quotes before the dialogue tag. Question number 9. Where should the comma go? On Monday, we went to the zoo. A, after on. B, after Monday. C, after we, and D, after the zoo. And the correct answer is after Monday, which is B. Introductory phrases need a comma. As we are pausing after Monday, we give a comma, and then we carry on. Number 10. Which is a complete sentence? Let's have a look at the options. A. Because I was tired, full stop. B. Ran to the store, full stop. C. I finished my homework, full stop. D. While she was cooking, full stop. And the answer is C. I finished my homework. A complete sentence has a subject and a verb, where in the other sentences those two things were missing. Number 11. Correct the punctuation. For the options we have A. I bought eggs, semicolon, milk, semicolon, and bread. B. I bought eggs, nothing, milk, and bread, full stop at the end. C. I bought eggs, comma, milk, and bread, full stop. D. I bought eggs, colon, milk, comma, and bread. And the correct answer is C. Use commas to separate items in a list. Number 12. Which punctuation fits the best? I don't know, gap, maybe he's late. For the options we have A, full stop, B, semicolon, C, comma, and D, question mark. And the answer is B, a semicolon. A semicolon joins related independent clauses. Question number 13. Which uses a colon correctly? A. She has, colon, a cat, comma, a dog, comma, and a rabbit, full stop. B. She has a cat, comma, a dog, comma, and colon, a rabbit, full stop. For C, we have she has, colon, a cat, comma, a dog, and a rabbit, full stop. And D, we have she has 3 pets, colon, a cat, a dog, and a rabbit. And the correct answer is D. Colons follow full sentences to introduce a list. So we could say before a list, we can give a colon. Alright? Thank you. So let's see what we have for number 14, which shows correct apostrophe use. The boys' backpacks are missing. So a punctuation is missing here after boys. For the options we have A, boys, and then the apostrophe. B, boy, apostrophe S. C, boys, apostrophe and S again. And for D, we have just boys. And the correct answer is A, boys. For the plural noun, we use the apostrophe after the S. Question number 15. Choose the correct option. A, its tail is fluffy with apostrophe. B, its tail is fluffy without any apostrophe. C, its apostrophe tail is fluffy. D, its, and again apostrophe, tails is fluffy. So the answer is B. It shows the possession. So this is the reason we normally do not use any apostrophe. Question number 16, the punctuation. He was late, dash again. So what would be the correct answer here? A, hyphen, B, M dash, C, colon, and D, a period. For the answer, we have B. An M dash is used to add emphasis or a pause in a sentence, like before the word again. Question number 17, which is a contraction in the following options? A, we are, were, C, were, and D, wore. So the correct answer here is we are. So we are is the short form or the contracted form of we are. Question number 18. What goes in the blank? I'm coming, gap, she said. So the following options are A, full stop, B, comma, C, colon, and the D. And for D, we have a semicolon. And the correct answer is B, comma before a dialogue tag. Question number 19. How does this end? Could you help me with this? So as you can see, after the sentence, we do not have any punctuation. So we have to choose from the following options. So for number A, we have a full stop. For B, we have a question mark. C, For C, we have a comma, and for D, we have exclamation mark. And the correct answer is B. It's a question, so whenever we ask a question at the end, instead of a full stop or an exclamation mark, we use a question mark. Question number 20. Pick the correct abbreviation punctuation. A, Dr. Smith. B, Dr. then a dot, Smith. C, Dr, comma, Smith. And for D, we have Dr, Smith. Guess the correct answer. Now, for the correct answer, we have B. We normally use a period after the abbreviation. And B is the correct answer. Question 21. What does ellipses mean? For the options, we have A, excitement. B, end of sentence. C, pause or trailing off. D, none of the above. And the correct answer is C. Ellipses show pause or missing text. Question 22. Choose the right punctuation. She didn't know what to say. She stayed silent. For the options, we have comma. For B, we have a semicolon. For C, we have a colon. For D, we have a question mark. And the answer is B. Semicolon separates two related independent clauses. Let's move on to the next one. Question 23. Pick the correct sentence. The meeting is at 3 p.m. Gap, don't be late. For the options, we have A, the meeting is at 3 p.m. full stop, don't be late. For B, we have the meeting is at 3 p.m. comma, don't be late. For C, we have the meeting is at 3 p.m. a semicolon, don't be late. And for option D, we have the meeting is at 3 p.m. colon, don't be late. And the correct answer is C. A semicolon joins two complete related clauses. Well done. Question 24. Which is correct? A. He asked, where are you? B. He asked, full stop, where are you? C. He asked, comma, where are you? And for D, we have he asked, a semicolon, where are you? And the correct answer is C. We use a comma before the quoted speech. Question number 25. Apostrophe use. Women's clothes are on sale. For option A, we have women's. Option B, we have women's and then the apostrophe. For option C, we have women's, apostrophe and S. And for D, we have woman, apostrophe and S. And the correct answer is A. Woman is already plural. Add apostrophe S to the show, add apostrophe and S to show the possession. Question number 26. What punctuation fits the best? I enjoy baking. It relaxes me. For the options, we have A, full stop, B, comma, C, colon, and D, semicolon. And the correct answer is D. A semicolon links to complete thoughts. Question number 27. Which sentence uses parentheses correctly? A, my sister, comma, in the brackets we have who lives in Italy is visiting. B, my sister who lives in Italy is visiting. C, my sister who lives in Italy, comma, is visiting. D, my sister who lives in Italy is visiting. And the correct answer is B. Parentheses enclose extra non-essential information. Question number 28. Choose the correct punctuation for compound adjective. My 5-year-old cousin is adorable. So for the options, we have A, hyphen, B, colon, C, apostrophe, and for D, we have a semicolon. And the answer is A. Hyphens join compound adjectives. Question number 29. Where should the colon go in the following sentence? She wanted one thing. Gap, peace. For the following options, we have A, after one, B after wanted, C after thing, D after she. And the correct answer is C. Use a colon after a full sentence to introduce a detail. Question 30. Which is correctly punctuated in the following? A. No, I won't go. B. No, full stop, I won't go. C. No, I, comma, won't go. D. No, comma, I won't go. And the correct answer is D. Introductory words like no are followed by a comma. Phew, you made through 30 punctuation questions. How many did you get right? Drop your score in the comments. If you had fun, like, hit or subscribe and ring the bell icon for more grammar games and videos in EasyEnglishClassroom.com. And remember, punctuation isn't boring, it saves lives. Let's eat mum versus let's eat mum. See? Thank you for listening today. I'll see you soon.